This is our submarine. Let's explore it. Whoa! And someone's coming. Hello there. Baldi. What does it? Alright guys. Where's my things? Oh, turn off the lights. And guys. This is my teams. Why is eating chicken fillet? What the? Why do you want to help? What's wrong? Bro, what's wrong? What the Baldi? What's this Baldi? Nah. I can't. It will going to explode or it will going to blow. Nah. Whoa, Baldi. What the Sigma? Ah. So the crunch. Okay, guys. Why is chatting like that? Baldi, what's wrong with you? Oh! Oh, no. Nah, let's get out of here. Let's get out. Run. The submarine is blowing. Where's there so many leaves? Hey. It's intruding. Someone's intruding. Intruder! Oh, he left. Excuse me! What do you think you're doing? Where's Team Happy? Pinicola. Run! Come on! PC. La. Alright. Chicken. Comber. It's so fun, guys. Because we're chickens. Chicken gun is an upgraded chicken. An upgrade. What happened to Dragon Dude? What do you mean? What the... Two Baldis. Merienda time na. super chicken. Hey, yo, chill. Oh, super na, slang pantang. Holy, what? What? The crunch. Holy, what? Okay, let's get in. Let's get in. Ah, Jeffrey Epstein. Ah. No, bro. This. Oh, whoa. That was so. That was disaster, bro.
Parang naman.
Oh, finally. The chicken gun. Chicken gun. I was the king cobra. Mr. Squid Feasting is going up. Valdez. Shimmy, shimmy. Okay, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, guys. Goodbye.